be showing you how to create a pinch pot, probably the easiest and quickest way to create with clay. Don't need any tools, you just need your hands. When taking your clay out of its packet, you just want to give it a quick little knead. It might have built up some condensation while it was in the packet. So I suggest when you make your first pinch pot that you use a ball about this size that just fits quite nicely in the palm of your hand. If it's littlies, obviously something a little bit smaller. And then with your clay, you just want to roll it into a nice smooth ball. Take your time here as it is the foundation of your pinch pot. Once you've got a nice round ball, you would just want to pop it in your left hand if you're right-handed and vice versa if you're left-handed. And then taking your thumb, we're going to press down into the center of your ball of clay. Thumb and your index finger, we're just going to squeeze the clay together. Going to rotate your ball slightly and squeeze again. You can use the support of the four fingers there, and we're just rotating as you go. The key here is to go nice and slow. It's best just to do a little squeeze at a time. If you're noticing you're getting a few cracks, by all means just pop a little bit of water on there, just rehydrates that clay. Continuing to squeeze, smooth, blend as we go. So here I am wanting a sturdy pot, so I'm only going to squeeze it to about this of a centimetre thickness. You are rotating your pinch pot. You do want to concentrate on the bottom first, as it tends to hold a lot of the thickness of the clay, and then work your way up to the rim. If you go a bit thin on the rim in the beginning, it's hard to keep the shape of your bowl. From here, if you would like to create a little bit of a flat bottom, you can just tap it down on the table. Now, as you can see, the piece is quite floppy at this stage. So what you can do is just go away for a little bit, even just half an hour, or just put it aside while you make something else, just so it firms up and holds its shape. Then you can come back in once it has dried a little bit and it's a little bit stronger, and then you can come through and add some shape to your piece, and then come back in and blend out these cracks, because as you can see, when I'm holding it up like this, the shape is starting to warp. So not ideal to do at this moment. So we'll just leave it for half an hour or so, come back and reshape. But basically that is your pinch pot. You can then obviously, once it's completely dry, come in with this wet sponge and smooth out any imperfections. So that there is your pinch pot.